the review will now won't be complete until the first week of December, the end of the first week of December. What's interesting with the timing of this is that has Micheál Martin taken the air out of this? Has he been successful? The thinking has always been that once the review is delivered, published, and TDs read it, it'll all blow up again.
Yeah.
And a no confidence motion will go in. I'm not so sure now.
Why though? Do you think that's because of what will be contained in the review? There's some people arguing that it'll be a whitewashing. We know Jim Gavin isn't going to be participating in this. This is very much going to be the Fianna Fáil leadership's side of what happened in relation to that, but also that there'll be more recommendations. What will we do going forward? How do we have to change things? And maybe again that might just take the air out of it.
That's it. And I think if the review is comprehensive enough, see, the thing is, there's always been the rebels, right? Was it Barry Cowan described this week as a cluster bleep? The whole affair, I should say. But anyway, there's always been those rebels. But then what emerged over the last few weeks, I suppose, was this middle ground. You heard a lot of talk about the middle ground TDs, right? And these are the ones who were frustrated about delivery, and then kind of their minds would begin to think, and they kind of go, no, do you know what? And then this sort of sense is creeping into the party of this housing plan is going to be a bit of a dud and all the rest of it. But the point I was going to make was, if it gets to the end of the first week of December, right, and let's say those middle ground TDs are just, let's just get on with the job, right? Because my understanding that there was more efforts to get them on side this week anyway, but
get them on the rebel side.
No, get them on.
On the leadership side.
The leadership side, yeah. So anyway, but let's say, if as some people had speculated, a no confidence motion was going before Christmas. If that review is not delivered, bear in mind there's no commitment to publishing the review the first week of December. It'll be completed. Could be the following week. The last
before it's delivered to the
before
party.
Say it could be delivered to the party. Right? That's just, I'm hypothesizing here, but that's what could happen. And then you're into the Christmas break. The question is, 4 weeks is quite a long time.
Yes.
Will the air have gone out of this? In saying that, if the review is damning on the leadership, well, that changes things entirely. But are we expecting it to be?